One thing that I want to talk about very quickly with our B Squad team that's so fun is that we started a middle school team last year. And so the middle school team has been a huge contribution. If you're on the middle school team last year, raise your hand. And their coaches are in the stands. Miss Stacy Dreeland and Miss Jenna Merritt are here. Jenna, there she is, coming back and forth. And so this little brainchild of mine was to try to have give kids the opportunity to participate in dance team in 5th and 6th grade, not be a competitive sport, so not feel that pressure, not be 5 or 6 days a week like the high school sport is, and just give them an introduction to dance team. And give them some basic skills so that when we get them, they have a little bit of training underneath their belts. So this has worked amazingly well. I know that our coaches are very happy with the training that they received last year. So thank you, Stacy and Jenna, for that. And right now, we're going to change up a little bit.